Hi and welcome to EV Kitchen. Today we're going to have a bit of fun, and what we're going to do, we're going to make some Rocky Road bars. But before we start, it's the usual, don't forget, you need to subscribe. Because if you don't subscribe, well, you won't subscribe. But we'd like you to subscribe so we can send you more notices for more videos. Okay, let's get on with it. To make Rocky Road, we need some very, very simple ingredients. The first one we need, of course, is some rocks. No, not really. We need some marshmallows. So I've just got a bag of marshmallows here. We need some almonds. We need some kofa. Kofa is just like a vegetable extract. And, of course, let's not forget our chocolate. Okay, I got a whole stack of cheap chocolate at the supermarket because it was going out of date. So I thought I'd convert it and make Rocky Road out of it. It's not bad, $1.21 each. Hey, not bad. Look at that. And it's also Whittaker's, which is Isaac's favorite. Okay, so to start with, nice and easy, we're going to need a stainless steel bowl. Okay, I'm going to have to chop up our marshmallows and get our marshmallows ready. Now, everybody knows how to prepare marshmallows. If you don't, you shouldn't be watching this video. Okay, what we're going to do is just basically take the marshmallows and we're going to cut them in half. This can take forever, couldn't it? Okay, so what I've done here is I've done my marshmallows, and my marshmallows are ready. Okay, I'm going to get some almonds. Now, if you have any nut allergies, please don't try this. Oh, by the way, I am using dry roasted nuts because they're always nicer. Otherwise, the other nuts get a little bit soggy. These are nice and dry. Okay, so we've got our nuts ready to go. Look how easy it is to prepare the chocolate. Open the pack and just, I'm going to throw it in there. You can use any type of chocolate, it doesn't really matter. Don't use a fruit and nut one because you don't want to get fruit into your, you don't want anything healthy in here. You can see why it was cheap. It's starting to go white. That's okay. Once we heat it up, it'll go dark again. It's not oxidizing, it's not going, chocolate doesn't go off unless it was made 3 centuries ago. So, Mr. Cameraman, if you want to come with me, what I've done over here, I've been boiling some water in the bane to create a bane. Okay, a bane is when you have boiling hot water, which will provide us enough steam for our chocolate to melt. But so that the chocolate melts properly and easily, what we're going to do, we add the kofa to it. Okay, so we just put some kofa on the bottom. Then what we're going to do, we're going to get our spoon and we're going to, as you can see, the kofa is melting very quickly or rapidly. Okay, we're just going to keep stirring this until all the kofa and the chocolate melts. We're going to be using some baked paper, just have it sitting there. We've got all our ingredients here separated. You don't always add more nuts. You don't want to add too many nuts, okay? You really want the flavor of the marshmallows and the chocolate to be the prime flavoring. Okay, we've been stirring this a little bit, and with the kofa going through it, as you can see, there's a kofa there. It helps break down the chocolate. Okay, we're just going to keep stirring it until we've got this nice, consistent, smooth paste going through. And then we're going to add our ingredients to it, toss it around, and then we're going to have this beautiful Rocky Road ready for us in about an hour's time. Okay, so what I've done is I'm actually preparing a space to put the, to drop the ingredients in. I'm just going to line a little bit across the bottom with some marshmallows. We're going to pour the chocolate over the top of it. As you can see, our mixture is nice and sloppy and hot. Okay, and we're going to just spread that out a little bit with the marshmallows. And then what we're going to do is we want to keep the base of it fairly hot. We want to transfer the rest of it into the mix here with the almonds. And we don't want the mixture to cool down too much, so I'm just going to, as you can see, we're just going to toss that through like that. We'll come back to this and show you how to cut it in about an hour. See you soon. Okay, hi and welcome back. We've had this Rocky Road in the cool room or in the fridge for the last couple of hours. I think something like that anyway. And what we have, we've got a nice big slab of chocolate and Rocky Road. I don't really have to show you what happens here, do I? All we know is that if we just cut this straight down the middle, look at that. What a Rocky Road. Everybody should have one of these. It's so sugary that I'm absorbing the sugar through my skin. I think I'm going to become a diabetic doing this. Just doing it, not eating it. With Rocky Road, you don't need too much precision. All you want to do is just make it look chocolatey, decadent, disorganized, and nice. And voila, one piece missing. The cameraman ate it. Okay, and basically, there's our Rocky Road ready to go. There's enough there to do what, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 6. There's roughly 30 pieces there. 15 people can have 2 pieces, or 30 people can have 1 piece each. And if they do, it'll be a great day. And remember, as I always say, don't leave the kitchen the way you found it. Leave it the way you'd like to find it. Have a great day. See you soon.